moaning. I had me a back by the morning. I had me some racks by the morning. I don't mean no racks keep me up on the podium. I had a back in my shoulder. You got a back if you rolling. You got this bitch of me rolling. Pacific ice in my ocean. Ready for war like a Russian. Ladies, you never do that. My diamonds the hustling. My neck and my belly on bustin'. They calling for me and they rushing.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Di, coming to y'all with another video. So I'm gonna switch it up and do a little story time for y'all. And while I'm doing story time, I'm gonna be smacking on these. I'm Sonic. If y'all know me and y'all talk to me, y'all know I love my mozzarella sticks from Sonic. Like, it was to a point that's the only thing I really ate, even though it's unhealthy. Don't judge me, okay? I ate that for about a good 3 weeks straight. Yep, I sure did. But anyways, let's get into the story time. Okay, so this story time is going to be about the time my mama knocked a girl at her job over the head with a whole computer monitor. Yes, a computer monitor. You heard me. So my mama had gotten into it with this girl. I'm gonna call her Lakeisha. Lakeisha. So she had gotten into it with this girl named Lakeisha about a few weeks ago. Mom, if you know her, she dresses very professional. She been working for corporate America since she was like 20, so you know she's used to dressing a certain way, and she used to making a certain amount of money. So all her clothes are very nice, you know, well dressed, stuff like that. So, so her and Lakeisha got into it because Lakeisha was like, you know, you come to here just like you better than everybody, like you a supervisor. Like, just rambling on about how my mom is or whatever. You know, mama told you, like, I'm 50. I don't, you know, have time to be arguing with you. She ain't no mama was 50 because she don't look 50. So, the girl, you know, she's like say a little slick stuff about my mom. You know, mom brush it off because, you know, she's in a professional environment. And I'm telling you, she don't really like to argue. So, So, fast forward till a few days ago. My mom goes into work. And she, you know, there's no chair by her desk. So it was a chair by the supervisor. And she asked the supervisor, like, hey, is anybody using this chair? Can I use this chair? He was like, go ahead. You can use the chair. It doesn't belong to anybody. So mom took the chair. After she took the chair, she sat down and got on her calls and stuff with her customers. She worked for CVS or whatever. So she was on the calls, taking the calls. The girl came back from, I guess, the break or wherever she came back from. And I guess she saw the chair was missing. So she was like, I know this didn't take my chair. Mom didn't do nothing. She didn't say nothing. So, again, the girl goes, I know this ain't take my chair. Like I said, Mom, she's very professional. She not really just like get into it with people. So the girl walked up by my mom while she was on the call. She was like, I know you take my chair. Push my mama. She done lost her everlasting mind, y'all. They're from Louisiana, New Orleans, whatever. And she just thought she could just punk my mama. So the girl was sucking trash. My mom and pushed her again, you know what I'm saying? So mama finished up her call, whatever, with her customer. So she was about to get up to tell the girl, oh, you can have a chair. The girl pushed my mama in the chest. Mama fell back on her desk. The first thing she grabbed or touched was a monitor. She picked that goddamn monitor up and hit the girl across the face with a computer monitor, y'all. Bro, a computer monitor. The girl had to go to the hospital and get stitches. The girl face was busted. Like, she really knocked this girl out with a computer monitor. And I'm pretty sure that when that girl saw the opportunity to pick up my mama about that chair, she wasn't expecting to get hit across the face with a computer monitor. Like, they will I tried to take mama to jail because she knocked the girl upside her head. Like, it was so bad. Mama was like, is she alright? After that girl just did all that to her. Like, that's crazy. I bet you that girl won't mess with nobody else. Be them quiet ones. Not worry about her. Them big fish that's like, them ones ain't gonna do nothing. I'm still laughing till this day. Cause when I was hearing the story, they was gonna say, oh, she beat her up. No. She picked up a monitor and knocked her out with it. The girl went blank for about a good couple of seconds, like fainted from the impact of the monitor busting her across her head. But that concludes my story, y'all. These things good. If y'all want to hear another story time, let your girl know. Comment below.